Welcome back to the EV Riders channel on YouTube. Today we've got the ZR1, the ultimate mid-engine Corvette. We're about to unwrap the mystery behind the 2025 Corvette ZR1, a high-performance beast that's set to redefine the track. But before we dive into the details, make sure you're subscribed, hit that like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned as we dive into the details. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is almost ready to debut with a new forced induction engine, aggressive aerodynamics, and more. This high-performance track beast was caught under the keen eye of spy photographers at the legendary Nürburgring racecourse in Germany. A prototype unit, veiled in mystery, was seen tearing up the track, giving us a glimpse of what's to come. The ZR1 doesn't shy away from flaunting its new design elements. One of the standouts is the vast, multi-spoke alloy wheels, first spotted on the prototype on public roads last September. This distinctive wheel design was again sighted on the October prototype in Germany, hinting at the aggressive stance the new ZR1 intends to take. Now let's talk power. The ZR1 is set to replace the naturally aspirated 5.5-liter V8 Corvette Z06. The new model will not only increase power output to unprecedented levels but also push the American icon to compete toe-to-toe with the likes of Ferraris and Lamborghinis. The anticipated price tag for this beast is around $150,000. As for shared components, the ZR1 is expected to borrow heavily from its sibling, the Corvette Z06. With forced induction, the ZR1's power output should increase to more than 800 horsepower, and we predict that it will rip to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. If you're as excited as we are about the future of high-performance automobiles, check out the Corvette range. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 is set to redefine limits, pushing boundaries of speed and performance. We can't wait to see it in action. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates as we continue to bring you the latest in car news. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. I'll catch up with you in the next one. If you want more info like the release date or anything, please consider visiting www.ev-riders.com for more articles about EVs and the latest car news. See you later.